In his timeless work, The Phenomenon of Man, Teilhard de Chardin redefines the beginning of matter, challenging us to see chaos not as an accident, but as the silent preparation for life. Today, we explore his profound vision, bridging the gap between science and spirituality. The beginning of matter, chaos or purpose? Long before the first stirrings of life, the universe was a vast expanse of swirling chaos. Particles collided, danced, and occasionally coalesced in an intricate cosmic ballet. Pierre Teilhard de Chardin begins his narrative here, in this primordial void he calls pre-life. It was a world of potential, where matter existed in its most basic form, poised to embark on a journey toward complexity and meaning. Teilhard challenges us to see this phase not as lifeless, but as the silent preparation for life itself. Modern research in cosmology aligns with Teilhard's vision. The Big Bang, the event that birthed the universe roughly 13.8 billion years ago, was not just an explosion of energy, but the moment when the building blocks of matter, quarks, leptons, and gluons, began to form. Scientists like Stephen Hawking have often remarked on the improbability of this moment, noting that even the smallest changes in the universe's initial conditions could have prevented the formation of stars, galaxies, and life itself. The force of becoming Teilhard introduces a pivotal concept in this phase: radial energy. Unlike the tangential energy that binds particles and structures matter, radial energy drives systems toward organization and complexity. It is the universe's inherent push toward becoming something more, something greater. In Teilhard's vision, even the simplest particles carried the seeds of evolution, imbued with the energy to one day contribute to the emergence of life and consciousness. This idea resonates with modern systems theory and the concept of self-organization. Researchers like Ilya Prigogine, who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1977, explored how non-living systems can spontaneously organize under the right conditions. Teilhard's radial energy mirrors these ideas, suggesting that the universe is not merely a chaotic accident, but is governed by principles that inherently favor complexity. In the heart of this pre-life stage lies the cosmic forge, the stars. Teilhard describes these celestial furnaces as the birthplace of the elements. Hydrogen and helium, the simplest gases, were drawn together by gravity to ignite nuclear reactions. These reactions forged heavier elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, essential for the formation of life. Teilhard sees this process not as random chaos, but as intentionality, the first act in the grand play of existence. This notion of stars as life's progenitors has become a central theme in astrophysics. Carl Sagan famously said, "We are made of star stuff," highlighting how every atom in our bodies was forged in the heart of a star. Teilhard's poetic vision aligns seamlessly with this modern understanding, bridging the gap between science and spirituality. Imagine looking up at the night sky, the stars forming intricate constellations. Teilhard invites us to see the universe in the same way, as a tapestry of patterns woven over time. From the spirals of galaxies to the symmetry of crystals, these patterns whisper of an inherent order. Teilhard believed this order was evidence of a divine force at work, pulling the cosmos toward unity and complexity. Recent advancements in computational cosmology have revealed that the universe's large-scale structure, its cosmic web of galaxies and dark matter, is not random, but follows patterns of filaments and clusters. These discoveries echo Teilhard's view that the universe is imbued with a kind of structural coherence, one that reflects its deeper purpose. For Teilhard, time is not merely a passive backdrop. It is an active participant in the universe's evolution. Over billions of years, particles interacted, combined, and evolved into more complex systems. Time, in Teilhard's narrative, is the canvas upon which the universe paints its masterpiece. Every epoch brought new opportunities for matter to transform and ascend toward life. Teilhard's emphasis on time as a driver of complexity aligns with the modern study of entropy and the arrow of time. Physicists like Sean Carroll have explored how time's one-way flow creates opportunities for complexity to emerge. Teilhard anticipated this perspective, framing time not as a destructive force, but as a creative one, essential for the universe's evolution. Challenges conventional definitions of life by suggesting that even matter in its simplest form possesses a kind of proto-life. Particles are not inert. They are dynamic, interacting, and organizing. Teilhard's pre-life is not a void, but a vibrant, active stage where the potential for life is already present, waiting to be realized. This idea finds echoes in the field of quantum biology, which examines how quantum processes like tunneling and entanglement may play a role in life's origins. Teilhard's suggestion that life is rooted in the dynamics of matter resonates with these cutting-edge theories, bridging the ancient and the modern. Gravity, Teilhard explains, is one of the universe's silent architects. This fundamental force draws particles together, forming stars, planets, and galaxies. It is gravity that enables the creation of complex structures, laying the groundwork for the biological and conscious evolution to come. Teilhard sees gravity not as a mere physical force, but as a participant in the universe's divine progression. Modern physics has expanded our understanding of gravity through the lens of Einstein's general relativity, the curvature of space-time, which allows gravity to shape the universe, parallels Teilhard's notion of forces that guide the cosmos toward order and complexity. Teilhard's vision of pre-life challenges us to rethink our place in the universe. If we are made of the same elements that once burned in stars, then we are not separate from the cosmos, but deeply connected to it. Teilhard invites us to reflect on this connection and to see the pre-life phase as the beginning of a journey that continues in us. As we explore the mysteries of the universe through telescopes, particle colliders, and quantum computers, Teilhard's insights remind us that science and spirituality need not stand apart. They can, as Teilhard envisioned, work together to reveal a cosmos alive with purpose, meaning, and boundless potential. In a world grappling with environmental crises, technological upheaval, and a search for meaning, Teilhard's ideas feel more urgent than ever. His vision of an interconnected universe offers a framework for addressing global challenges collectively. Whether through harnessing technology for good, fostering a global consciousness, or deepening our spiritual connection to the earth, Teilhard's philosophy is a guidepost for a world in need of unity and purpose.